Engine, start. 2015 BMW M6 engine oil maintenance resetting. 1. Turn the ignition to the on position with the vehicle off. Close all doors and windows and put the vehicle in park. 2. Allow all of the warning lights to cycle off and the warning tone to stop beeping, and then press and hold the trip reset button for 5 seconds or until the message center displays. 3. Immediately release the trip reset button once the appears to display the first service symbol. 4. Use the BC button located on the turn signal switch or the trip reset button to cycle through the service items until the oil change symbol is displayed. 5. To reset, hold the trip reset button for 3-5 seconds until the 2-line menu appears in the tachometer. 6. Then press the BC or trip reset button again to select the service and maintenance. 7. Press the trip reset button again for a few seconds. 8. Repeat the above procedure for any other services to be reset. 9. Turn the ignition to the off position and back on to confirm reset was successful.